Rubber sheets. Principles, applications, and benefits. Here is the most complete guide on the internet about. You will learn principle of rubber sheets, types of rubber sheets, applications and benefits of rubber sheets, and much more. Chapter 1. Understanding the core principles of rubber sheets. Defining rubber sheets. Producing rubber sheets. Materials for rubber sheets. Thermoplastic polymers. Thermoset polymers. Rubbers within rubber sheets. Compounding ingredients. Selecting material for rubber sheets. Key considerations for selecting materials for rubber sheets include rubber sheet manufacturing processes. Molding rubber sheets. Rubber sheet extrusion. Latex dipping of rubber sheets. Calendaring rubber sheets. Joining rubber sheets. Rubber sheet specifications. ASTM D1056. Flexible cellular materials expanded or sponge rubber. MIL R3065. Rubber for fabricated products. Frequently asked questions. What are the core materials used in manufacturing rubber sheets? How do the main manufacturing processes for rubber sheets differ? Why is material selection important when choosing a rubber sheet? Which types of rubber sheets provide the best oil and chemical resistance? What are the key applications and benefits of using rubber sheets? Where is natural rubber for rubber sheets mainly sourced? Chapter 2. What are the different types of rubber sheets? The leading types of rubber sheet materials include natural rubber sheets, neoprene rubber sheets, extra soft neoprene rubber sheets, soft neoprene rubber sheets, medium hardness neoprene rubber sheets, hard neoprene rubber sheets, nitrile rubber sheets, Hydrogenated nitrile. Ethylene propylene rubber, EPDM, rubber sheets. Silicone rubber sheets. Fabric reinforced rubber sheets. Styrene butadiene rubber sheet. Viton sheets. Butyl. Chapter 3. What are the applications and benefits of rubber sheets? Applications of rubber sheets. Benefits of rubber sheets. Protection of work surfaces. Safety. Protection of equipment. Anti-vibration. Resistance. Versatility. Availability. Disadvantages of rubber sheets. Maintenance of rubber sheets. Conclusion. Please visit www.iqsdirectory.com to find the right rubber sheet manufacturers for your needs.